guys, what's up? It is Chi here, and I am back with a cool new DIY. So it's been a second for a DIY and also another collab. I'm doing the back to school collab again. I did this last year and it was super fun, and I'm doing it again. So today, first of all, make sure you watch and follow everyone who's doing this collab with me, because they're all really dope and really cool, and you know, get some really cool cute K-pop stuff for back to school. So anyway, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do another bullet journal. I did one like this before, but last time it was Minhyuk inspired, and it was more like a very sweet kind of cuter notebook, and I wanted to show you guys how to make different kinds of cute or cool K-pop bullet journal. So this time I wanted to make it a little bit more sleek, a little bit look a little bit more like you bought it from the store, like this, like, you know, you got the rare bullet journal. So yeah, that's why I decided to do another one. And so let me stop talking and let's just get started. So first you're going to need leather. I got 4 leather squares from Hobby Lobby for like $5. It's pretty cheap and actually comes in handy a lot. So I wanted a more sleek look and opted for the black one. The first thing I do is fold it in half, and then I take my old journal or any mini journal on hand and measure and cut it to size. I can finally be myself. The actual measurement for my specific book is 8.5 inches long and 6 inches wide if you don't have a book of your own. The next thing you can do is an added step. You can glue muslin or a more heavy sheet of paper to the back of the leather. This is going to keep the edges from flipping up or creasing, and it's going to give the leather a little bit more weight. I decided not to do this just because my leather already seemed to be laying flat without it, so it was fine, but I know my last one didn't, and adding a more heavier sheet of paper would have probably helped it. So now I'm going to take some tape and diagonally tape off half of my book. I'm going to be spraying gold spray paint on it, but I only really want it on part of my book, so that's why I'm taking tape to cover it. Once it's all completely taped down, I take my book outside and begin to lightly spray on the book until it's the way I like it, and then I leave it outside to dry for about an hour. And this is how it looks at the end.
You look like you never forgive me for all the things I did that day.
So now I'm going to open it up and poke 2 little holes about 1 inch diagonally from each other at the top and bottom of the book.
Wanting all of me. Why should I be greedy?
Then I'm going to take this black elastic band and loop it through the holes like this.
Best for me. Why should I be greedy?
At the very end, go ahead and tie it up so it doesn't move. So now it's time to make our mini books that go inside. Believe it or not, this takes the most time out of the DIY. So instead of remaking all these mini books, I'm going to actually just show you a flashback from my last video. Next, I took these little booklets I made and put it around the band. Since I think the band is like holding it down pretty tightly, I think it's fine if you just leave the papers kind of loose leafed, but I just went ahead and stapled it together. I also put like a really cute scrapbook paper that I had as the front to differentiate each book. So after I added 2 books to the band, if you want to add more booklets to it. It's very easy. Take some more of the band, measure it twice the booklet's height again, then tie it. Then I basically do the same thing that I did on the original band to this one. I added 2 books on each side, and then just go ahead and tuck one book under the other, and it will stay there and not move forever. And then after I secure all my books through the band, I add my finishing touches, which is a cute Jungkook sticker at the top part of the front of my journal. Lastly, I'm going to take some elastic band and tie it around my book 2 or 3 times. This is going to keep my book closed. I also added a little pearl at the front to make it look cuter, and I just went ahead and put a knot at the around it so it wouldn't move. And then of course, don't forget to tie it at the end. Now whenever you want to open your book, all you have to do is remove the band and then put it back on whenever you want to close it. Lastly, I added this cute gold Wonder Woman pin I had to keep the gold theme running and keep it cohesive. And then we are done. This is a really cute journal for note taking, for planning, for doodling when you're supposed to be note taking, and you made it all your own. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to check out everyone in the collab, and I'll see you guys next time.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it.